Welcome to the Duda Experts Education Series, brought to you by the Duda Solutions partners here at Fixate Media. Today we're going to talk about the Duda website personalization options. Once you're logged into your site, over on the left bar, you're going to look for Personalize. When you click on Personalize, it's going to expand and show you a preview of all of the pre-made rules that you can use and apply to your website. Today we're going to start with the option of building our own rule and walk through the basics. We're going to first click Build Rule. So if we are to create this rule, the rule is going to apply if a visitor comes to the site to do something, right? And we can dictate what happens based on any of these 5 parameters: the device type the user's on, the location they're in by zip code or postal code, the time of day they're visiting your website, how many times they've been to your website, as well as unique campaign URLs. You of course have the option to also display the rule you create to all visitors with no trigger, and an example use case would be a pop-up that pops up for everyone who visits your website. For today's example, we're going to choose a location-based rule, and we're going to pair that, not with time, but with a visit-based rule. Clicking Next allows us first to choose the location we're targeting. I might want to target the zip code near our business. Allens Park, Colorado. Next, I want to target visitors who have been to our site 3 times specifically. So if a user were to be in the IP address in Lyons, Colorado, visiting for the site for the 3rd time, what do we wish to happen? Well, we can create a whole new row. We can create a notification bar, pop-ups, JavaScript can run, as well as special effects, which we'll use for today's example. I'm going to choose the heart special effect, and I'm going to preview the rule. And if somebody were to visit this website from Allens Park, Colorado, for their 3rd visit, hearts are going to fall. That's one example of a website personalization. You can, of course, then publish these personalizations when you're ready to use them. You can name them, as well as choose whether to display them more than once if the visitor were to return. I've now saved that rule successfully, and while I can create multiple other rules, I also have the ability to click on the gear, rename the rule, edit the rule, deactivate it, preview it, duplicate it, which is quite handy, as well as completely delete the rule. I definitely would encourage everyone with website personalization to take a look at this section and to scroll through a lot of the pre-built rules. There's some amazing stuff that you can use for your business. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks from the Fixate Duda experts.